What's up everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Hunter and this is Salty Garage. Today I would like to kick things off by telling everybody a little bit about myself and about my car. I'm on my way to the car right now. I'm not currently home, but first I got to stop by the grocery store, pick up a couple little things, and then we'll get to it. About to throw it in the daily. Camry gang. Yeah, right. Like that's the thing. Hey, but at least now I got nitrous in my Camry. I really hate going to Walmart first week of the month. It is chaos inside of there, but got the NOS. Yeah, I got NOS in my Camry. Come at me, bro. Just kidding. I need a new daily. Plan on getting the truck soon, but make sure you subscribe so you can see all of that. Getting the turning in without almost being hit. We almost home, baby. Neighbor got a 240. Now where's mine? Is it in here? Let's see what might be in here.
Dragonfly, just rub my head, hips in.
So this car is my 1990 Nissan 240SX hatchback. Let me get in it real quick. Yeah, this car is my baby. I have had this car for a little over a year now. When I first got this car, it was bone stock. I had the cage put in. It's a 8-point cage. I had it put in by my good friends over at GS Works. They put in the cage. I painted it. I put the seats in, the harnesses. I need to get better harnesses. These are just temporary. Shift knob, my samurai shift knob. I painted the whole inside of the car black. I put coilovers on the car. The wheels that you're seeing are on the car. I bought those and put them on. And I think that's about it. Oh, and it has a welded diff. I've always wanted to document my build. I just never did it. And I wish I would have started doing this sooner, but I'm here now. And I have still so much planned to do on the car that it's ridiculous. Motor swap, possibly a front end conversion. I still have a lot of interior pieces to do, new dashboard, steering wheel, and just so much stuff to do. That is all for this video. I will see you all next time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button.